What is APA and why should you learn to use it? APA stands for American Psychological Association. Hi, I'm Travis, and this is APA Made Easy for You. The APA Publishing Manual is designed to standardize an easy way for reading scientific communication. So what exactly does that mean for students? The APA Manual is a complete writing guide to research papers. Who is likely to use APA? Psychology, anthropology, nursing, business administration, human resources, information technology, etc. Why should you learn to use it? APA helps clarify grammar rules, formatting rules, and reference rules. If you ever want to publish your work, such as writing your master's thesis or dissertation, then your APA should be on point. There are two main types of formats: literature review papers and experimental research papers. Sometimes your teacher might ask you to write an annotated bibliography. So, what is a literature review? This is the most commonly used format for business students. Also, you may do literature reviews at home without even realizing it. For example, your teacher wants you to write about 3 of the same type of product, research the specs and compare pros and cons, and choose the best one on the market for the price. Or you just want to buy a certain product and get the best bang for your buck. Say your smartphone broke and you want to buy a new one. This works for both examples. You do research, find the one you like the most, and make a decision. There are usually no wrong answers here, as long as you can prove that your argument is justifiable by the research you did. Of course, as you progress into graduate programs, the types of analyses you conduct will be more in depth. But just remember, most of the time there is no wrong answer. Just some answers are better than others. What is an experimental research paper? Now, I went the business route, so I didn't do a lot of experimental research papers, but I do know that they consist of you doing a study or an experiment. For this, you propose a hypothesis and conduct an experiment to test the hypothesis with. To formulate a hypothesis, large amounts of research needs to be done to ensure its novelty. The paper will explain the method you used to conduct your experiment, the results, and discuss these results in context of your hypothesis. Annotated bibliography. This is literally super easy, and I used to overthink these all the time while writing them in my undergraduate classes. Usually, you're given a topic by your teacher. Let's go back to smartphones in this case. Your teacher wants 10 references, so you find 10 references regarding smartphones. Next, you write your reference following APA formatting style. Then, for each one, you write a quick 150 to 200 word summary of the article directly under each reference. Some teachers may ask you to explain how this could be used in your next literature review and whether the source is useful. What are grammar rules? If you have questions about how to use a colon, a semicolon, or a comma, the APA manual explains it all. Many people have learned certain comma rules in school which are incorrect according to the APA manual. Another huge mistake people make is that a paragraph should be at least 5 sentences, not just 2 or 3. A paragraph should consist of a topic sentence, 3 supporting sentences, and 1 concluding sentence. One thing to take note of is not all grammar rules transfer over between high school writing, MLA, and Chicago to APA, so don't forget that. Besides grammar rules, the manual shows the proper format for tables and figures, which by the way, they're much easier than they look. Okay guys, that's all I got for what is APA and why you should learn it. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this presentation, please click like and subscribe to my channel. I'm Travis, and this is Made Easy for You. Thanks for watching, stay optimistic, save your work, and may the force be with you.